Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So for example, if you have been following them and they have been following you too, and how you can check all of your followers is to compare followers and following. So you want to go ahead to your Instagram and click on the menu bar at the top right corner, right there, those three lines, and click on settings and privacy. Now click on account center and scroll down until you see account settings, your information and permissions. Click right there. Now you want to go ahead and download your information right there. And now choose download or transfer information. And now you will need to go ahead and include some of your information. So what you want to go ahead and do is choose which ones you want to download. So you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see followers and following right there. Click next. Now you want to download to device or transfer to destination, whatever you want to choose. Click next. Date range. Choose a date range. So maybe last year or last 6 months, for example. Save it. And then create files. And now basically it will start downloading right there in progress, as you can see. Now there is one available download which I already downloaded, so it's the same one. So let's click download now. Now you will have this option to download it, so you click download, and now you will find it on your files. And go ahead on downloads. Now what you want to do is click on that zip file and it will unzip it and open up your Instagram. Now you want to choose connections, followers and following, and here you have it. Now you will see all of your followers here, so you want to go ahead and copy this list by choosing all of your followers. And the same goes with the following. After you have copied that, you want to go ahead to compare twolists.com, and here you will enter one list, or you can also choose a file if you want to without copying that list, and again enter another list of followers, and then you can compare them and see which one of the following, basically if you follow someone and if that person doesn't follow you, then you can go ahead and unfollow them. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.